Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to leave a space on Gmail using your PC. This new update makes it easy to manage your groups. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots in the top right corner, right next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Spaces to view all the spaces you belong to. Once you find the space you want to leave, click on it to enter. After you're in, look at the top of the screen for the space name. Click on the space name, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Leave. A confirmation message will pop up to ensure you really want to exit. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on the confirmation button. And just like that, you've successfully left the space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.